To the action. Huh?
Wow! Be careful though.
Completely frozen over. This is. Oh, look at that! Look into the lake. How
That is.
Look at, gosh, look at this.
Yeah, those are cute. I was looking at those.
May you add more to it?
No, we cannot add any more to our tree.
No, don't say.
Our tree is fully packed.
Does that light up?
Oh gosh, yes. So many Christmas trees.
And then you're going.
Not bad, not bad. Okay, okay. Good morning, guys. We are here at Center Parcs again. It is Sunday. We've just come out to the back of the area. We're at the waterfront hotels and we're just seeing how frosty and how cold and wintry it is actually. We're going to actually feed some of the animals. There's squirrels here and birds and reindeers, I believe. So we're just going to walk around because it's so frosty and it's so cold. We don't get to experience this in London where we are, so I'm sure there's some viewers from Canada or wherever in the world that experiences winter that's really cold, but we don't really experience it that cold, so it's nice to see. It's like a winter wonderland, literally. It's so pretty, like I can see all the frost on every branch and it just looks so perfectly placed, so we'll go and have a look. Mum and Dad are up there already. Mum and Dad looking very warm.
Yeah, that's good.
Can we not go down that way?
No, it's a steep one.
It's a steep one.
We can go through our bedroom.
Can we go along that way?
We're going around the front this time, guys.
Okay. There's a nice one, waterfront lodges, right looking over the lake. And there's the back of our hotel. We're on the ground floor.
Completely frozen over.
Very, gosh.
Everything you could balance on top like a movie, a still.
Oh my god, can I stand there?
Yes, I'll hold it.
Ah, Dad, can you see the trees?
Oh, look at the trees, a beautiful colouring, isn't it? Yeah.
That looks like something from Frozen.
They make enough, don't they?
Yeah, everyone can get a little piece of the action. Huh?
Be careful though.
Careful.
Let me hold your hand. Oh.
Oh wow, look. Completely frozen over. This is. Oh, look at that! Look into the lake. How far
that is.
Look at, gosh, look at this. Look at the scenery.
It's lovely.
Look at the wet trees, guys.
I know.
Oh, it's magical. It's magical.
And the sun's up. How hazy it looks. And the lake.
Actually, look
it's
at the
lake.
story. Look at the story here.
Wow.
Look at the vision. Look at the movie. And that bird can land direct on the ice.
And there's the waterfront lodges. Into the lake. It's freezing there.
Absolutely beautiful. And look there where the bridge is.
Yeah, I got it.
I'm just obsessed with these trees. It just looks like Frozen 2, which is in the forest, into the unknown.
It's like, shall we? It's just amazing.
I'm tempted to put
It's
my
like
foot
Jack
down,
Frost
but
times.
yeah.
Already, look, it's twinkling already. So.
Let's walk to the bridge. Yeah.
This is so cool, you know.
But that's what I'm saying. You would miss this if you're at the lodges because you wouldn't ever come this far down.
That's true. I've never seen this part.
I love that everybody could get a view. Everybody. Can
Yeah,
stand.
there's enough places
There's enough place.
for people to stand. Each family can stand. Got the beach here. That would be open in the summer, but that's completely frozen over now. Right. So we're now on the bridge, guys. Treasure Island. Wow. Look at this. Actually, look. Look at
Look at the ducky. Look at them in the water.
Oh, they're not cold. They're used to it.
We need to.
They're in the little bit that's not frozen. This squirrel is not intimidated at all.
I want the same with Winston.
Must be. Hi guys, morning. We are headed to the village centre because we're going to do bowling today. I haven't done bowling in years and years and years, so see if I can do it still. I'm probably just a little bit rusty, but yeah, it's a nice fun family day today. It is cold, but it's not freezing, so it's manageable, but it just looks like a winter wonderland. I can't get over it, guys. It's not that far of a walk to the village square because we have dinner tonight at Forested Inn, so we'll be showing you guys that as well.
Just got steps, isn't it? I don't think lifts got.
This whole area is so nostalgic. The smell of it, innit?
Oh my god.
The smell.
The smell of it is crazy.
Yeah, you've been coming here
For years and years.
The tiles.
Walking barefoot on the tiles, feeling it. The smell.
The smell is absolutely.
The smell is.
if you want.
And over there is where the swimming pool is, but we're not going swimming this time. It's so cold. I thought it was going to be empty in here, but it's really packed. It's really busy. I guess because it's so cold, there's not really much outdoor activities to do, only indoor activities. So we got to pick our shoes now. I haven't done this in ages. I forgot bowling shoes even existed. So sorry to be silly. Do we leave our shoes in here?
No, you can take your shoes with you.
Oh, you take your shoes with you? Helpful to read. Helpful to read.
Like we all get it out. We might as well go today because it's in the same place, isn't it? Oh yeah, straight out,
Make them clean. Make them clean.
I get some
mine.
Can you open it up so I can really get in there?
And then you're going.
Not bad, not bad. Okay, okay. Depends.
You're one more goal again, Michelle.
I'll do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get 2 goes.
I've got to do it faster.
Huh?
I've got to do it faster.
Yeah. More momentum.
It's heavy.
They're all heavy.
It's all supposed to be heavy. What's the point of the game? What am I looking to?
So you're looking at the scoreboard, right?
Yeah.
So you see how you only had 1 pin left. So you did really good because you got 9.
I've got 1 pin left.
Yeah, you only had 1 pin
right,
left.
right,
standing.
right.
So you got 9, so that's really good.
No, I'm trying that.
The little kids use it. This one uses it now.
Yeah, that's looking good. No,
Well done.
The winner is me. I won. Yes, I'm the winner. With an injury, still did it. It was fun.
Why didn't I drink like that all the time?
I know, but now we know next time how to do it.
Yeah.
Having some drinks after bowling, and then you've got the pool area over there. But we're not doing swimming this time, guys, because it's very cold.
Even though it's tropical, the area is tropical.
It's tropical, but the water's cold, so we'll give it a miss. But maybe next time. But this is very nice. We've actually never eaten at this Cafe Rouge place before.
No, we have not.
But it's been here as long as I've been coming here. But it gets a lot of customers, so it must be nice. Let us know if you've gone there before. But we've definitely gone to Huck's, but it's just so packed. No. The things I like at Starbucks are cold drinks, and it's too cold for a cold drink.
Yeah, that's what I said to Ashley.
So right now we're just trying to find Santa's Grotto area and the reindeers and all that stuff. They've had this tree up years ago, yeah.
You remember I used to push you in the buggy?
I remember this tree, yeah.
Friggin' hell, Ashley, we're old.
We used to do pictures.
Used to be in the buggy here.
Do pictures in front of it. Do you remember? I remember when Lauren was a young baby and we'd take pictures in front of it. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yeah. This
This
picture.
is beautiful now. How the wind, the night is coming down.
If I can find the picture of us in front of this tree, I'll post it here.
Recreate it. Good times, man. The buggy. Oh my god.
Here. Yeah.
This is us recreating.
This is where we take the picture.
Here.
Every time. This tree. Wow, this tree's been here for years. This tree's been here for years.
Actually, you've been coming here for 20 odd years.
Yep.
And we used to have the buggy, or we used to hold you, and then we did it with Lauren.
Did it with
the
Lauren.
buggy, and the whole tree used to be blue. It used to be all blue. Like the memory. Thank you.
Yeah, so stuff like the boathouse and stuff, that's all the summer activity. You can't do that now, it's too cold. Frozen lake and all that stuff. Oh my gosh, is that a baby deer?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Guys, we're just trying to find Santa's Grotto and the reindeers and all that stuff because we haven't seen it in person, only online. So I'd like to see how that looks if we can find it. And then we've got dinner at Forester's Inn. We've got some roast dinner. Santa's Woodland Village. Oh.
Oh, isn't it lovely?
I'm not going to get in your way. You
Oh, wow. Look at the singing reindeers. Hello.
should we go up in there?
So Christmas it, yeah, we can do.
So have a very Merry Christmas, and I'm sure I'll see you soon.
Oh look, there's stalls over there as well.
I saw. Healthy point. I like the way they've done that. Like, yeah, come and get a hot chocolate and
Yeah, it's cute.
yeah, it's well thought out now.
That's nice.
Warm.
Takes you out of the cold for a bit. If you've got little ones that are a bit sleepy.
Could have brought Lauren here. I didn't even know. Could have looked all the food, hot dogs.
Oh yeah, they
She
got
could have
food
been
menu
here.
and stuff. Oh yeah,
Who knew?
who knew?
And here you can sit under this. This is very beautiful.
Wow, that looks beautiful.
Merry Christmas. Very festive. Very festive.
So many Christmas.
So many Christmas trees.
Beautiful, man.
If you could guesstimate, if you could guesstimate how many Christmas trees are here right now. I don't even know.
Yeah. That's lovely.
What's this called again? The light path?
Enchanted Garden.
Oh. Enchanted Light Garden, that's the one.
I'm good now.
You're
I've
good
done
now.
my two things. These are two things I wanted to
Me
do.
too.
Two things I wanted to do.
Oh wow. Wow.
So which way do you want to go first?
This way? Ooh. Wow. The lights move with the music. Oh, that was really fun.
Done on that one. That's good.
That was good, guys. So what's the plan now, guys? Should we head back to our hotel
And then have a little sit down.
Have a little
maybe
sit
hot
down.
chocolate.
and then wait until our dinner reservation?
Yes.
At Foresters Inn. Sounds
Yes.
good, sounds good. Right, we just got to find our way back now.
Right, go on the navigator.
Left or right? Right?
The deers are so cool.
Gorgeous, aren't
There's Rudolph there, the red nose.
Ah, oh yeah.
Just noticed that.
Look over there.
The memories that are in this building. Yeah.
In here.
Lauren would do her crafting. And me. I don't remember that.
Yeah.
I remember Lauren going. But I remember us doing badminton most of all.
Here they used to be movies as well when you was there.
Yeah, over here there used to be a little movie cinema.
Correct.
But they closed it years ago.
Correct.
It was so nice.
It was nice. We watched Madagascar 2 for the first time here, I think. Yeah, there's so many memories right here.
Yeah.
I've done rock climbing, just everything.
Oh god.
We don't need anything for the as a memento.
Should we put some of these on sparkle? What do you think?
No.
Do you think you'd do it?
Listen to your record.
Yeah, your songs on. These are nice ones.
Yeah, those are cute. I was looking at those.
Mate, should I
like
add
this.
more to it?
No, we cannot add any more to our tree.
No, don't say. Don't
Our
go.
tree is fully packed.
Does that light up?
Oh gosh. Yes, it does look up here.
Oh, but I want to see that one.
Isn't it?
Different design.
No, it's different.
Where'd you put it?
We don't need it, guys.
Table.
No.
Centerpiece.
Come on.
You said you wanted a centerpiece.
Out we go. Out we go.
Oh my god, that looks packed.
It looks so busy in there.
It looks
It's actually touristy. But I guess it's the place to go in the evening, isn't it? But oh, it's because it's Sunday.
Not many, yeah.
So people go Sunday roast. Sunday
I
roast.
couldn't get into bloody Hucks.
I'd rather go here than Hucks though for Sunday roast.
Oh, there's no chicken left. Oh, no.
Yeah, I'm sorry, we just ran out of the chicken.
What they like that? I love steak knives.
This thing looks good. This is my dessert, guys. Chocolate fudge cake and vegan ice cream. And Mum's got the same, but non-vegan ice cream. It's a massive portion though, isn't it? I'm not gonna finish it. We've just finished our dinner and our dessert at Foresters Inn. We're headed back to the hotel now, and it's our last day before our return home tomorrow. So just try to enjoy the night, rest up, innit, Dad?
Yes, definitely. Have a great time.
Have a great last day.
Beautiful, beautiful dinner.
So see you guys tomorrow for our final day. Good morning, guys. It is our last and final day here at Center Parcs. We had an amazing time, an amazing stay. Even though it was only for a couple of days, we really enjoyed it. Definitely would love to come again during the winter time. It's been beautiful, literally a winter wonderland. Got our car fully packed with our suitcases all done. The room is done, so the last thing is to get ourselves in the car and get going. We're all packed up in the car now. Everyone's getting ready to go. Everyone's packing away because a lot of people are leaving today as well. So it's got a little bit of a drive, an hour 27. But should be good. How have you enjoyed your trip, Mark?
A lot. It was really good. It's beautiful. Good. I loved it. Absolutely loved it.